Material preparation: cut the negative copper plate and other raw materials to the required size. Round the edges, grind the edges to ensure smoothness. To ensure smoothness. Inner imaging uses lithography technology. Transfer the circuit pattern to the inner negative copper plate. The inner layer is etched by chemical or plasma to remove the unprotected copper layer to form the circuit pattern. Inner layer inspection uses automatic optical inspection to check for defects in the circuit diagram. Pressure preparation: resin containing yellow semi-cured sheet as an insulating layer. It acts as an adhesive structure during lamination. Lamination process: each inner layer and insulating layer are laminated together under high temperature and pressure. Drill through holes in and guided via holes and device pins. The hole metallization deposits a metal layer in the hole wall to form a conductive path. Vertical continuous electroplating. Outer layer imaging transfers the circuit pattern to the outer layer, copper-clad laminate. Electroplating, usually electroplating copper, enhance electrical connection and protect the circuit. The outer layer removes the unprotected copper. To form the final circuit pattern. Outer layer inspection is done through LU equipment to check if there are any defects in the circuit. Slicing separates the whole board into single PCB.